This wild Japanese street food is called Tako Senbei, a massive octopus rice cracker that's absolutely mind-blowing. First, the chef coats a fresh octopus in flour, then places it in a special press. You can actually hear the sizzling and crackling sounds as it cooks under pressure. Next comes the batter, perfectly seasoned and spread over the octopus before it is pressed once more. The chef ensures the edges spread out just right, creating those golden, crispy edges that make each bite absolutely delicious. At around $3 each, these Tako Senbei are so enormous they could literally cover your entire face. The combination of tender octopus and crispy savory cracker creates an unforgettable taste experience. Would you dare try Tako Senbei?